Have you ever wondered why some people find it easier to hide the truth than to face it? The Ketan Agarwal incident has shocked the country. According to the police investigation, his fiancée, Sia Goyal, and her alleged partner, Chetan Chaudhary, are accused of planning to permanently remove him from their lives instead of ending the relationship honestly. Investigators allege that they feared family reputation and social consequences more than they feared the consequences of their own decisions. How does someone find the courage to plan something so irreversible but not the courage to speak the truth? If you can plan for weeks, why not have one difficult conversation? If you can hide the truth every day, why not tell your parents the truth just once? If you don't want to marry someone, why not say no? If you love someone else, why not walk away? Yes, telling the truth might break hearts. It might disappoint your parents. It might damage your image. It might mean starting life from scratch. But all of those consequences are temporary. Taking an irreversible step is permanent. Maybe this is where we as a society need to think differently. Why do so many young people fear disappointing their parents more than making irreversible decisions? How does saying, I don't want this marriage feel impossible, while choosing such an extreme path somehow becomes imaginable? Because we've taught people that failure is shameful, that saying no is shameful, that calling off a wedding is shameful. But we've forgotten that honesty is always less painful than hiding the truth. The hardest conversation of your life is still easier than living with the consequences of a decision that can never be taken back. So, the thought here is real courage is not choosing an extreme path to avoid a difficult conversation. Real courage is facing the people you love, speaking the truth, accepting the consequences, and walking away with your humanity intact. Give it a thought.